Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. I'm just working on our next video. It's going to be our 25th video. It's a whole season of episodes. 25. I know some of you out there might be thinking, what the heck is Jack of No Trades? What do they do? So, I'm putting this video together to show you guys what we're all about. I'm going to have a bunch of clips from all of our videos, and hopefully you'll get to see what we're all about from this clip show. Enjoy.
Hello.
Ooh.
That's hot. Burn myself.
Doop-de-doo.
I'm wearing the flannel. Ready to go.
That's right. I did.
Okay.
But yeah, that was why.
Yeah, right.
Hangs off of there like that.
Smash.
Just tastes like slightly sweet water. Water. All right.
This is what it looks like when you put butter into a not heated pan.
Wow.
Yeah.
I like it. Yeah.
A little bit of egg.
Got sand.
Sam?
Sand. We think that's enough for the area. We also got some more papers over here.
Hiya! What do you want to do with this wine?
So it says to get some.
Get my coconut oil.
Hopefully that'll happen. I don't know if that's the right way to do it, but just makes sense to me. So let's see how that goes.
What? I don't know. So we're making all this up as we go along.
Begin something that I truly don't know how to do.
I'm not sure what that means, what pliable means. I'm just gonna play it by ear.
This is 2011. We're doing it.
Once again, I don't know if that's the best way to do things. A paddle for, we have to figure out how to do that. I'm pretty sure that's 2 ounces. I don't know.
It's not resting on it very well. I didn't think about that.
See how it goes.
Oh.
So I don't really have a recipe to follow, so I'm just gonna do it the way I think it should be done. Non-reactive sauce.
I don't know what that means. I have the pasta machine here. Should I just use that?
Ow. I don't know what happened, but it hurt.
It's a good start.
That's a good start?
No.
Might have been 14, but whatever. Hopefully that worked. Well, I don't see why it wouldn't have worked. Alright.
Thank you for watching. We're the Jackson No Trade.
We're the Jackson No Trade.
And you have a great day today. Well, that worked.